Want to start trading Forex but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to open a Forex trading account, even if you have never done it before. No stress, no confusion. Let's get started. There are 4 steps that you need to follow to open a trading account. Now, if you have watched this video or this tutorial, and some traders, they are really struggling with activation of their account, logging in, and also the updated website. So let me walk you through as to how you can be able to register your trading account now in the most easiest way so that everybody can do it, right? Remember, you must have this trading platform, MT4 MT5. Download it from Google Play Store or Play Store. Once you have it, that's good. Now, on our YouTube channel, Bozza Trader, make sure that you subscribe, and you subscribe here, then you click this here. All right, once you click here, you will be able to see this, and then you scroll all the way down. Make sure that you join our WhatsApp group. First thing first, make sure that you join our WhatsApp group, and you actually click trade with the rave here. All right, broker for volatility 75 and more. Now, once we click here, it will take us to a landing page. So the free WhatsApp group is for you to get free signals, get updates, and just open a trading account here. Now, once we click here, it is simple to actually now open a trading account. I'll show you the steps that you need to take so that you can open your trading account easy without any difficulties. Now, you will see here, if you already have a trading account, you can click login. If you don't have, you can click or scroll all the way down and open account. So if you have a trading account, I'll also assist you to actually understand some of the things that you need to fix so that your account can be in a right space. So now you type your email address here. Please don't use this email address. It's just for you to understand the kind of email address that we're looking for, or the kind of email address that you must actually enter here or type here. Then you click create account. Do not use these options. Though we have these options, do not use them. Just click create account. Simple. Once you've clicked create account, you will have to go to your email inbox, Gmail inbox. And if you actually entered the wrong email, you click here, change, you press here, change email, and then you only have 1 minute to actually verify the email before you can resend another email activation code or activation link. So let's get out, go to Gmail. Now we can refresh on Gmail just to get the password, the verification link. It's that simple. Gmail is taking forever, so let's actually open our Gmail again, and there we go. You see this, click here. All right, and verify my email. If it gives you an option to use Chrome or Safari, you can choose Safari if you have an iPhone. That's simple. If you have a trading account already, you don't have to register another trading account with Giraffe. Country of residence is the country where you're living, where you're currently living. So you can search it here. In this case, we'll search Namibia. And if you do not see any country of resident, make sure that you choose the country or citizenship where you were born, right? And then let's choose Namibia. Citizenship is where you were born and raised. So you need to actually be careful. And demo password here. Characters. We have the characters. Let me show you. You see this hash here? These are the characters. So in this case, we have demo hash 2027, and then we have percentage. So this is the kind of password that we're looking at, that you must actually type. Please do not use this password. This is just for you to get the example. So you click create password. It's that simple. Make sure that you remember this password. You actually put it somewhere safe. Now you can click save. It's up to you. But if you can click save, it will be able to save on your Google. Now, if you, by mistake, you click go to demo or you click complete my account, you did not actually, don't panic, all right? If you click now, you say go to demo, you did not actually do something wrong. You do not have to open a trading account again. What you have to do now is just understand the user interface, the display, the website, how it actually works. This is the demo wallet account, and here we have the MT5 account. Here we have the demo. This is the real. If you go to real, now we have to select or open the real account, right? Then we click USD. I recommend you that you go with your USD. Make sure that you choose USD, and you enter your 2 names here. You enter your same name, on last name. It's that simple. Then you click next. Simple and easy. Simple. So you start with a date here, month and a year. So the date is the 10, and the month is the 04, and the year it's 2001. This is just for example to see how you can actually enter the date of birth there, and then you click next. It's that simple. Now, place of birth, you will see Namibia. If you are, you actually must make sure that, all right, phone number you must choose, right, and then mobile number you enter here. Please don't call this number, it's just for demo purposes. If you have any issue, if you have an error, let me know. You click next. Now you choose additional revenue and you choose self-employed. Then you enter your tax identification number. You do not enter anything here. If by any you don't see the next, right, you enter your ID number, or if it still doesn't work, you enter 1. If it doesn't work, you enter 0, because this is optional. Then let's click next, because to me it allows me to go through. Now enter your address here. Just enter our address, and all right, and zip code, just like that. You enter your details here. Make sure that the proof, this address, you'll be able to provide the document when it comes to verifying the account. So you click next. Simple. Now you scroll all the way down and click I declare. You click I'm not a PEP. You click here I agree to terms and condition. This is not politically involved, and you declare that you're not a citizen or a resident of the US for tax purposes. Then you click create account. Simple. Now you will have the wallet account, and you go to, you can click deposit now, you can click later, but I recommend that you go to later. Simple. Now you have the wallet account here, you have the MT5 account here, you have the section here, home, CFDs, options, wallet. So what do we choose now? We can choose the standard account so that we can have the MT5 account. Simple. Now we enter that password. You remember that password demo hash 2027%. There we go. Then we click set up password. It's that simple. If you have actually forgotten the password, you can click forget password here over here. Now we have the login ID, we have the server, we have the broker that we are looking for on MT5. So we just click open MT5. All right, now we have to click open here. It's that simple, and click accept. But don't click open here, click cancel here. Now we have to click here to find the broker here, right? And then we'll have to search the derivative SVG. Since you've seen that we have what? We have SVG over here. Can you see that? This is broker derivative SVG LCC. So the server will be 03 and the login ID is here. Let's copy the login ID by clicking here. It will be copied to clipboard, and then the derivative SVG, we'll search it. Then we click again, open here, and then click open. If you like to actually to go that process. So let's search derivative SVG. So we'll type derivative SVG. There we go. You can see the derivative SVG over there. We have the derivative of SVG, so we just go derivative SVG. Let's change the server name here to derivative 03. Let's confirm that. Let's go to here. You can see it's derivative. It's derivative 03 server. So let's actually go to here and change derivative 03. Paste the login ID and password. Login. The account we're able to log in now. We were able to log in now. You can see this is the account that we have. So let's now open a demo account. Let's go back. Let's go back here. Let's open a demo account. Let's cancel here. It's that simple. So we have the MT5 account here. You can see this is the MT5 account here, standard account, and we have the wallet account. We can choose to add money. We can choose to withdraw. So we can now connect the demo account. We click demo here. We change it to demo. You can see. All right. We have the wallet demo account. This is the MT5 account that we want. Click here and paste and type that password. Remember that password. Demo hash 20. There we go. And then we click add account. And then be able to see the account is added. You can see now this is derivative.com limited. This is what we'll have to search. and login ID, it's this one. So let's copy the login ID and click open here. Then it will take us here and click open, and we can click this plus icon here, and now we'll search to Rev Limited, to Rev Limited. Just type to Rev. Then we are looking to Rev.com. The Rev.com is to Rev, the Rev Limited. This is what we are looking for. And now the server here is demo, and let's paste the login ID, type the password, scroll all the way down, make sure that here this password is saved, login. Now the account is logged in, we have the account, we can now start trading. We can click section codes and be able to start trading these financial assets. We can check chart and be able to see the graph. We can click trade, we can be able to monitor if we are winning or losing. We can click history to see the balance that we have, the money that we have. We can click messages. We don't do anything here on messages, there's nothing that we do here. Then we can now go back. We have managed to link the demo. Let's cancel here. Now we have the demo and we have the real account. I trust you understand. So if you have any issue, you have any error, you let me know. This is the website. We have CFDs, and these are the trading accounts, MT5 accounts that you can actually open. Trading accounts that we can open, and we also have the Derivatives Trader. This is another platform that we use to trade Forex. So this is the standard account, MT5, and you can click options. Options, you can trade the rise and fall, accumulators, tubers. This is what you can trade here, right, under the options, right? So if you like to trade that, you'll be able to trade with the wallet account, and you can go to wallets. Okay, on wallets you have the demo. You have the real account over here. So if you go to real account, you'll be able to see this. You can deposit money, you can withdraw money, you can transfer. Now this simply means that you transfer money from this wallet to MT5 if you like to transfer it to MT5. I trust you understand. We have more wallets that you can open, and we also have another deposit methods like to raise peer-to-peer or payment agents. If you don't have a bank account, but make sure that you're 18 years old to trade the financial market, you can deposit, and you can go to demo. This is where you can actually play with the, like, you can transfer. When you transfer from your MT5 to your wallet, vice versa. You can actually do that. So if in this case we choose that we want to transfer from the wallet, let's say we want to transfer 2,000, and we can click transfer, then the money will be deducted from the MT5. We can click done here. It's that simple. Then you can go to your MT5, which is MetaTrader 5, and then you click history. You'll be able to see the withdrawal here, right? So be careful of such. Many traders, they will actually use this to pretend as if they are making some withdrawals when it comes to trading the Forex. So you can click here, and this is the platform. So if you like to know how to usually use MetaTrader 5, we have another tutorial on this channel. So I trust you understand. So now, if you're done actually opening your trading account, you can just click go back here, right? Once you can go back also. How do you now log in to the broker? It's simple, right? You no longer need to actually use the link here. You already have the link. You already have the website on your Chrome, so you just have to log in. So you can just go to Chrome like this. It will automatically log you in. If it did not, you log in. I trust you understand. So you need to verify the account, submit your proof of ID, submit your proof of address. And if you have any issue as to fail verification, you let me know. You need to also complete the financial statement. And if you have an issue, let's say you have an issue of the password updates, you let me know. So this is what you have to do. I trust you understand. So let's reload here. Everything will be able to log to the website. That's all that you have to know. That's all that you have to do. If you're still facing any issue, any error, the website might be updated by the time, let's say maybe next year it will be updated. The user interface might be different since we've been trading Tarif. So we can let's say right now you've cancelled here. You can also, if you like, can also use our website link again to log in. It's not that it's gonna give you any issue whatsoever. It's just that I recommend that if you have the page, you just have to log in, right? You can see here, we see Traders Hub. We click Traders Hub. It's that simple. So now you have managed to have the trading platform. Open your trading account with updates that we have. You can see this is the demo account. You have the real account over here, and you can also do this yourself. And what about verifying the account? You can click here, this icon here. See this icon here? You can click it. Once you click it, you go to account settings, and when you go to account settings, you can now submit your proof of ID and also proof of actually proof of address. All right, then you can take also the financial statement if you like to actually do that. So that's all for now. I trust you understand. If you have any issue of identification has failed, you let me know so that I can assist you. So that's all for now, and you can actually update your personal information, and now you can start trading. If you have any question, you'd like to ask me anything, CFDs, options, you let me know so that I can assist you in a much better way. If you scroll away like this, you'll be able to see the accounts, CFDs. You will see the MT5, the MetaTrader 5 accounts. We don't have MetaTrader 4 accounts here. These are the demo, and you also have options where you can be able to trade the rise and fall accumulators, tubers, vanillas, multipliers. You can now trade here. You can also create your own robot to trade here, and you can also have the app, the RaveGo app. You can download it by just clicking here and download it and use it if you like to use the app, if some of you are asking me about the app. All right, so you can trade with Reef, apply Bozza strategy to actually make money in Forex. So I trust you understand. So if you click trade here, you'll be able to trade the rise and fall, the vanillas, the multipliers, the accumulators. That's all for now. I trust you understand. If you have any question, if you click here, this is what you will see, and you can choose what you would like to trade. This is what I actually traded when I started trading with Reef most of the time. So I'll trade on rise and fall, and the 5 ticks is that if right now I say it will fall, it will count 5 ticks, and then if it did, then I will be able to win this money. I can increase it here on the stake, and this risk to reward ratio here, it's 1:1. So I trust you understand. Stay blessed. I love you all.